Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a unboxing of a company that sent me some products to review. You already know. So today's video is sponsored by Asian Cosmetics. So Asian Cosmetics is a vegan natural skincare company and they sent over some products to do a review. So on their website you can find a lot of skincare products like face oils and serums, moisturizers, flavored lip scrubs, products for the body like body oil, body wash, and much more. Also, these products are very affordable, and of course I can't leave you guys hanging. I have a 40% discount code on the entire order. Code is my name, Sifra. Just type it in at checkout and you will get 40% of the entire order. So make sure to go check them out and order a bunch of these products because it's summer, we have to take care of our body. And yeah, so I got my box right here and I'm going to unbox with y'all. So this is what the package came in. So I'm not gonna show you my address. Confession, I already opened the box to see what's inside, but for the sake of this video we're going to open it together. Okay, first, when you open the box, it's like this. A lot of bubble wrap. Let's pop one. Okay, but let's open this package. So first I have this. We have the Island Mango Whip Soap, Asian Cosmetics. Scoop desired amount with finger or spoon. Can be used in the shower with a loofah or sponge. Grab a handful in between your palms and wash hands with warm water. No parabens, no gluten. Family owned, made with love. Okay, we got these ingredients on the side. Let's smell it. Smells like mango and it really smells good. I almost licked it, you guys. She's so crazy. So this is the Island Whip Mango. This is their whip soap. Then we have the blueberry plus peppermint bath bomb. It looks like this. Then we have the double butter body bar. The ingredients in this body soap or the body bar is shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, olive. This is what a package looks like. Okay, let's see what the bar soap looks like. And this is the bar. This is the body bar, you guys. I already know that I'm going to smell amazing when I come out of the shower. This smells like shea butter. So I got 2 of each of the products. So maybe there will be a giveaway. I don't know. 2 body bars, 2 bath bombs, and two whip soap. I already know that I'm going to love the whip soap because yeah. So I know y'all like that bit of ASMR, but I thought I'd show you a demo on how to use the products. First, I start with the whip soap. First of all, the whip soap looks like buttercream. It's so smooth and it suds up really well, and it smells amazing. I don't know why I think that it looks like something to eat, but yeah. And it was so smooth on my body, and my body felt really soft afterwards. So that was it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I will be enjoying these products because I love hygiene products. I like to stay clean. I like to clean my body, and I love when products are organic, so you know there aren't harsh products in there which can harm your skin or give your skin irritations. This company is a vegan company, so they don't use harsh products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune in for my next video. I may be posting 2 times a week now. Just stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you already use products from Asian Cosmetics, and make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new upload. So you guys, see you in my next video. Bye.